Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday and welcome to Word of the Day. You should have your paper from yesterday and a pencil or something to write with. I'm going to go ahead and turn over my paper, and now I need to write my name and the date. So making sure you have your name. And today's date is April 15th, 2020. So I'm going to write 4-15-20. So making sure at the top of your paper I can read your name and the date. And today your word is clam. Say the word clam. Write the word clam. If you need more time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to get started. We're going to stretch it out. So getting your fingers ready. We're going to say it slow. Ready? Clam. Say it fast. Clam. Good. Let's count how many sounds are in our word. Lamb. How many did you get? 4. Okay, here we go. What's the first sound in clam? Ooh, and that could be 2 different letters. It's going to be a k, like in Christian. So we need letter C. Oh, that sounds like Leslie. We need letter L. Oh, and, oh yeah, am. We've been doing that all week. We should know what am is. We're going to write letter A, M. Clam. Nice job, boys and girls. You should be starting to think of words that rhyme with clam. Clam, Sam, Cam, Jam, Fam, Sam. I think I said that one, huh? Today, since when I've been home so much lately, I've been eating a lot of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and that makes me think of the word jam. So I'm going to write jam for my writing word. You could write the same, or you could write your own word, but try and make it a real word that rhymes with clam. Okay, and last thing for today, we need our sentence. So a clam is something you could find at the beach. Usually they're in the water. But I'm going to say, I will look for a clam at the beach. That's a big sentence. Let's say it again all together. Ready? I will look for a clam at the beach. Count how many words. Let's do it together. Ready? I will look for a clam at the beach. Whoa, 5 and 4. How many is that? 9. This might be the biggest sentence we've written yet. Okay, let's start it. I. How do we have to write it? Capital letter, good. Spaceman. I will. Will's a word we used yesterday. We should remember how to write it. W-I-L-L. I will look. Make sure you do your spaceman. Look is a sight word. We've done it a lot. Remember, we have our 2 O's. Look, L-O-O-K. I will look for. That's another sight word we've done. I know this one's a little harder. We don't do it as much. F-O-R, for. I will look for a. That's letter A, and it is always a lowercase unless it's starting a sentence. Read it with me. I will look for a clam. That's your word today. You know how to write clam. Lamb. Clam. Let's read it. I will look for a clam at. How do we write at? A-T, good. Let's read it again. I will look for a clam at the. Making sure you have your spaceman. And then the, how do we write it? T-H-E. I can almost hear you guys yelling it at me, just like we would do during our morning meetings. Here we go, let's keep reading. I will look for a clam at the beach. Beach. Okay, the first sound. B, b, b. E. Ooh, just like yesterday when we did the word eat and Easter in the word beach, to make it say E, we need a letter A again. B, each. That's one of our H brothers. Which H brother says ch, ch? Ooh, that makes me think ch, ch, choo, choo. Is that Charlie, Shane, Theo, or Willie? Charlie. That's right. We're going to do CH like Charlie. Beach. Let's read it. I will look for a clam at the beach. What do I need at the end of my sentence? Good. Make sure you go and read it to somebody in your family. I can't wait to see your work tomorrow. Bye, guys.